So this is level 8, the famous salt shaker. Couple things about this one. We have the variable salt and then salt.setAnimation, a background and draw sprites. Let me just move this over here a bit and we'll run this. So we have a salt shaker, but it's static. There's no movements. So we have to put a loop in here. So let's go ahead and drag a loop over. There we go. So let's see here. In the loop, and just for ease, I'm going to put some blocks here so I can drag it easily. In a loop, the variable is not going to go because you only do that once. And the salt.setAnimation is not going to go. You only do that once. However, if you don't put the background in, it's going to look like many salt shakers. And so now I'm going to go back to text here. And I'm going to put a salt.y because we want it to go up and down, and that's on the y. So salt.y gets random number. And so what do we want with the random number? Well, we know it's sitting at 200. So how about if we do, I think 10 pixels is good, 10, 15, no more than 20. So if we do 200, so maybe 210, oops, that's a period, not a comma, 210, and outside the brackets and semicolon. There we go. And then we've got to drag this up here. So we'll put the draw sprites in here, and then we can see if it works. So let's go back and see. So what happens now is you create the variable, you animate it to make it look like a salt shaker, and then it's going to create a background, the salt going up and down, and then it's going to draw that. Then it's going to be the background, the salt, the sprite. Background, salt, sprite. And it's going to look like this. Now, if we take the background out, I'll show you the difference. Actually, I'll just move it over here for a minute. Oh, I should have put it up there. What am I doing here? Background. Let me put it up here. I think it was sky blue. Sky blue. Now look, doesn't that look like kind of blurry? Lots of salt shakers? That's what happens. So I'm going to put this background back in here. I have a dog moving my arm here. There we go. There, much clearer picture. And that is lesson 8, the salt shaker.